Hello, seventh graders, and welcome to week 12. This is the first week of our third 6 weeks. We are going to be studying the human body muscular system this week. Remember, instead of attendance, we are now doing warm-ups. These warm-ups are going to be review questions from past material that you have already learned. Be sure to do your Monday warm-up on Monday and every other day respectively. All right, then, like always, you're going to start with your content notes. You're going to have your PowerPoint, your Google Slides notes, and your video to help you out with that. After that content, you are going to go immediately into your study jams. Remember, you're going to either watch that slideshow or the video, and then you're going to go in and test yourself on what you've learned. After that study jams, you're going to do your exit ticket. Remember, try your hardest on this exit ticket. This is not just something that you're trying to complete. You are trying to do the best you can. After your exit ticket, you're going to have 2 activities. Okay, so you're going to have one that opens right here, and then you're also going to have your close activity. After that close activity, you will have your Google slide presentation. Y'all are doing awesome with these presentations. Remember, you are going to be doing it over the previous week's system that we learned. So last week we learned about the skeletal system. So you will be doing your Google slide presentation over the skeletal system, not the system you are currently learning about. After you work hard and complete your Google slide presentation, you will move into your assessment. Again, guys, you get 2 attempts at this assessment. We should not be seeing super low grades on these if you get a second attempt, right? You can use your notes for these assessments. That's why we have your notes that are saved in your Google Drive. Be sure to go back to your Google Drive before you take your assessment, find those notes, and have them with you as you take it. We don't need to rush to the finish line. We need to take it day by day and get our work done correctly and show effort. All right, after this assessment, this is a new part for this week. You will have an activity. Activity will load after your assessment, and then you will be finished for the week after that. Remember, we have our awesome social emotional activities. These can really help you think about and process things that are going on in the world. This week it's what I can and can't control. Then, if you ever need a little brain break, hop on over to our brain break section. Lots of funny videos, fun little breaks. All right, remember, if you have any questions, you can email your teacher. Have a great week.